Passive income for students with different ideas. Making passive income as a student can be a great way to earn money without requiring constant active effort. Here are some passive income ideas that you can consider. 1. Online content creation. If you enjoy creating videos, writing, or photography, you can monetize your content through platforms like YouTube, blogging, or stock photography websites. Over time, as your content gains traction, you can earn passive income through ad revenue or affiliate marketing. 2. E-book publishing. If you have expertise in a particular subject or a talent for storytelling, consider self-publishing ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once published, you can earn royalties from sales without ongoing effort. 3. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital products like templates, design elements, or educational courses on platforms like Etsy or your own website. After the initial setup, you can earn income with minimal maintenance. 4. Investing in dividend stocks. If you have some savings, consider investing in dividend-paying stocks. Dividend stocks distribute a portion of the company's earnings to shareholders regularly, providing you with a passive income stream. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Some online platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses. As borrowers repay the loans with interest, you can earn passive income from the interest payments. 6. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services through your blog, social media, or website. When someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you earn a commission. 7. Renting out assets. If you have extra space, you can rent it out through platforms like Airbnb. Alternatively, you could rent out equipment or other assets you own, such as cameras or musical instruments. 8. Create an online course. If you excel in a specific subject or skill, consider creating and selling an online course. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to reach a broader audience and earn passive income from course sales. 9. Mobile apps or software. If you have programming skills, develop a mobile app or software that addresses a specific need. You can earn income through app sales, in-app purchases, or advertising. 10. Affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates. Join the Amazon Associates program and promote products from Amazon on your blog or website. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. 10 passive income ideas through YouTube. 1. Content creator, a general and versatile job title that encompasses a wide range of content types. 2. Blogger, if you plan to share your daily life experiences, adventures, and thoughts. 3. Tech reviewer, if you're interested in reviewing gadgets, electronics, or technology-related products. 4. Educator, tutor, for channels focused on educational content, tutorials, or academic help. 5. Beauty guru, suitable for channels centered around makeup tutorials, skincare routines, and beauty product reviews. 6. Gaming streamer, if you want to live stream your gaming sessions and share gaming-related content. 7. Fitness coach, for channels providing workout routines, fitness tips, and health advice. 8. Travel blogger, suitable for channels exploring different travel destinations and sharing travel experiences. 9. Foodie, recipe creator, if you're passionate about cooking and want to share recipes and culinary experiences. 10. DIY, crafts expert, if you enjoy making crafts, DIY projects, and sharing creative ideas. Thanks for watching. For more interesting videos, do subscribe our channel.